Hello guys, in this tutorial I will talk about a string builder in Java. So like a string buffer, we have something called a string builder, and the difference between a string buffer and builder is a string builder is a thread safe. So when we say thread safe, which means when multiple thread will work on the string builder, data corruption will not happen. But in case of a string buffer, when multiple thread will try to access the same data corruption will happen. That is only difference. There is no other difference, right? And it's a both are so. If you try to see the difference between a string and a string buffer, a string is immutable whereas buffer is mutable. It is slow, a string buffer is fast. Overrides the equal method of object class, so you can compare the content of to a string. A string buffer class does not override the equals method of object class. So if you try to recollect, I have told you in case of a string, when you say dot equals, it basically checks for the content of the object, whereas in case of a string buffer it will not check for the content of the object. Now the difference between buffer and builder is buffer synchronized, whereas a string builder non-synchronized. Okay, so guys, I did mistake while saying that a string builder is not synchronized whereas a string buffer is synchronized. A string buffer is less efficient than a string builder. A string builder is more efficient. So why more efficient? Because this is non-synchronized, and when we say synchronized means what happens is whenever any resource when you try to access, so till one thread will finish the task, other thread will not work on that. That is the reason a string buffer is a slow performance, whereas a string builder multiple thread can access same time, it is a fast. If you try to see with the example here, a string buffer we have and a string builder we have, there is no difference. Both has append method, both will append, both the output will be same. Java test, you have a builder object, you have a buffer object, we are appending test, outcome becomes same. But look at the performance wise. So I'm just printing that system dot current time in a millisecond. System is a class in Java, and I'm just printing in the millisecond. After that I'm making the object of a string buffer, and I'm running a loop till less than 10,000 appending by Bhanu, just to see that like what is the performance. And output println time taken by the string buffer, current time milliseconds minus start time, and start time we have taken here in milliseconds. Similarly I'm doing for the string builder. Again start time is equal to current milliseconds, append same thing, and again time taken by the builder, current milliseconds minus the start time, right? So look at your output will be 2 milliseconds and 1 millisecond. So builder will take less time, buffer will take more time. So performance wise builder is good. In fact I can show you here also, right? Same thing I have it here. So if I again run that, see now it is taking that 1 millisecond 1 milliseconds. So let me again run that. This again depends on the type of data, always it will not take the same time. Again 1 millisecond 1 milliseconds. Let me put one more zero here and one more zero here. Now let's see that. See here, it is 17, it is 7 seconds. So sometimes if data is very less you will not see much difference, but when I tried last time I was getting 2 milliseconds 1 milliseconds, but now you can see that the difference. This guy took 17 and this guy took 7. Okay, because here I am getting that current time start, and then again once this for loop is over I'm getting a current time again, and I'm subtracting the start time, so whatever start time I had, so that is my millisecond. Same thing I'm doing for this guy also, builder also. So again get the start time, finish the task, again get the milliseconds and minus the start time, again a millisecond. So this will give you the builder time, and this is the outcome. So you can see that the difference. So performance wise always a string builder is good, but thread safe wise a string buffer is good, right? So with this we are done with a string buffer and a string builder. Method wise there is no difference, there is no different method than what a string buffer has. Okay, a string buffer and a string builder has the same method, so whatever you have studied in the string buffer same will work here. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this.